Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at home. You know that we learned in the previous video about use of this or that. But today we are going to learn about use of these or those. These is similar to this, but it is used to denote more than one object. I mean to say that the things are very near us, but in the count they are many. We can touch them easily, we can take them easily, so at that time we will use here these. You can see some pictures and some sentences are given here. In the first picture you can see some beds are given here. All beds are very near him. He can take them easily, he can play with them easily. So at that time you can see here these is used here. Sentence is these are beds. These is used here because of all beds are very near him. In the second sentence is you can see here these are mangoes. A basket of mangoes is here. He wants eats the mango. He can take them easily, he can eat them easily. So you can see here these is used here because of all mangoes are very near him. In third sentence is you can see here these are toffees. A jar of toffees is here. He can take the jar easily, he can takes the toffees easily, he can eat the all toffees easily. So you can see here these is used here because of this jar is very near him. The things are very near us, we can take them easily, so at that time we will use these. Now we are going on use of those. You can see some pictures are given here. Some sentences are given here also. First sentence is those are chairs. You can see those are chairs. All chairs are very far from him. He cannot sit on the chair. He can see only. He cannot touch them. He cannot take the chair. So you can see here those is used here. Second sentence is those are cats. A group of cat is there. He cannot touch the cats easily. He cannot take the cats easily. You can see here all cats are very far from him. So you can see those is used here. Those are cats. He is see them but he cannot take them easily. So you can see here those is used here. Okay. In second sentence is those are birds. Some birds are there. They are eating some grains. He can see them but he cannot take them easily. He cannot touch them easily. So you can see here all birds are very far from him. So those is used here. Those is similar to that, but it is used to denote more than one object. I mean to say that the things are very far from us, but in the count they are many. We cannot take them easily, we cannot touch them easily. So at that time we will use those. I think you must have understood this very well. Now we are going on skill drill. You can see first point is fill in the blanks with these or those correctly. Some pictures are given here. Some pictures are very near him, but some pictures are very far from him. So those pictures are very near him. So you can see here these is used here. Or those pictures are very far from him. So at that time we will use those there. You can see these are horses. These are horses. All horses are very near him. So you can see here these is used here. But those are pens. all pens are very far from him. He cannot take them easily. He cannot touch them easily. So you can see here those is used here. Because of all pens are very far from him. But all horses are very near him. He can ride on the horse easily. He can touch the horse easily. Okay. So at that time you can see here these is used here or those is used there. In the second picture you can see these are dogs, those are parrots. Some dogs are there. All dogs are very near him. He can touch them easily. So you can see these is used here. But some parrots are flying in the sky. He can see them but he cannot touch them. He cannot take them. So you can see here those is used here. Because of all parrots are very far from him. He can see them only but he cannot touch them easily. So you can see here those is used here. Next point is look at the pictures and write their names. Some pictures are given here. You know that these are cars. So I write here cars. These are boys. Those are boys. Because of all cars are very near him, but all boys are very far from his. These are cars or those are boys. Okay. This type of homework I will give you in your English textbook. You have to do this in your English textbook correctly with help of your parents. If you have any doubt, so you can call us. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.